Is right now the perfect time to buy meta platforms? And where could the price be going next? Those are the questions I'm going to be answering in this video, and to answer the first question, is right now the perfect time to buy? We are going to be using this Fibonacci retracement tool. So looking at the price, we can see that from around this low, price climbed up to this high before we started seeing this current retracement. So if we draw the Fibonacci tool from this low up to this high, we get something that looks like this. And the way this works is usually in the stock market, when prices start retracing, they tend to find support at one of these Fibonacci levels. This dark green area is known as the golden zone, and it's where most stocks, after they start retracing, they come down to this dark green area, find strong support here and bounce back up. And we can see that Meta Platforms has arrived at this dark green area over the past few weeks. So based on this, what are some good areas to get into this stock at? The first area where you might want to consider entering is going to be around here. This is $591. And the level below this is around here, which is $555. So an entry strategy that might be worth considering is getting in at the higher Fibonacci level and dollar cost averaging at the lower level if the price continues to retrace down to here. So that's the entry side of things. However, getting a good entry is only the first step. It's equally important to have a good exit strategy in place, and we can get an exit strategy using this Fibonacci extension tool. But before we dive into that, you might be wondering whether I'm currently holding the Meta Platforms stock or if I'm planning to invest in it. And the answer is the large majority of my portfolio is built around a strategy that tracks trades made by US politicians. This is because investing alongside key politicians is the most profitable strategy I've found in the stock market. Over the years, it has delivered returns that blow every other strategy completely out of the water, so I mostly only invest when key politicians are involved. If you are curious about how I do this and how you can too, I've put together a free video explaining how I find the most profitable trades, and I also go through the returns of this strategy over the past 3 years. The link to this video is in the description below, so feel free to check that out if you're interested. Coming back to the Fibonacci extension tool, if we do something similar to before, going from this low up to this high, but this time if we pull the tool down to where this retracement has ended, we get something that looks like this. And the way this works is as the price starts climbing up, these are the areas where we tend to see resistance. And knowing this, investors using this tool like to lock in some of their profits at these levels, which puts them in a good position to buy back at a discount if the price retraces from there. So what are some areas where you might want to consider taking some profits? The first area is going to be around here. This is $723. The level above this is around here. This is $758. And the third level is $808. So locking in some profits as the price climbs up to these levels could be an exit strategy you might want to consider. I will be making update videos as the price gets to these key levels. So if you'd like to stay up to date, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you found this video helpful, consider dropping a like on the video as that helps out the channel a lot. It's also worth mentioning I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Please make sure you do your own research and your own analysis before you make any investment decisions. That brings us to the end of the video. If you would like to learn how to profit like a politician, the link to the free video explaining everything is in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.